Hey guys, welcome to our channel. How to get badges in Leetcode. So here you can see I have an article on that, like how to achieve a badge in Leetcode. So here is the instruction that you can follow. So start with the basic. Already familiar with Leetcode, then start with simple problems and development, and under your belt as you gradually take up the more complex challenges. Consistency is key. Consistent grabs would undoubtedly make your problem solving abilities much better. Try to have one or more sessions per week. By all means, stick to your routine and don't give up. Participate in contests. Concepts will force you to apply problem solving skills, creative thinking, and fast action, along with experiencing the feeling of competition and close-knit environment typical of the program world. Now join the community. By submitting solution or discussing troubleshooting together, you will find a whole community of users waiting to help you. Provide answers, give hints, and solve on discussions board and other areas of interactions. Take advantage of resources. So Leetcode has an explanation, tutorials, and editorial section that are well accommodating for users in their problem solving. And the last one is don't give up. It's perfectly alright to be in a situation where you don't know how to move forward now and then. Come today, spill out your thoughts and feelings and carry on. Now here is some of the badge you can earn on Leetcode and the requirements for each. So question asker. Ask a question that receives at least 10 upvotes. Question solver. Solve a question that has received at least 10 upvotes. Forum supporter. Receive at least 10 upvotes on a comment or answer. Hot topic. Start a thread that receives at least 100 views. Pundit. Post at least 10 comments or answers that receive at least 10 upvotes each. Problem solver. Solve at least 100 problems on Leetcode. Challenger. Participate in the at least one Leetcode coding challenge. Translation contributor. Contribute a translation of a Leetcode problem description into another language. So that's how you can actually earn the Leetcode badges. So it's pretty much simple. You have to stick around in Leetcode to earn that badges. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.